So folic acid, folate, those concerns are basically for women of childbearing age, right? Well, yes, it is important for women of childbearing age. So why is it important for viewers of this channel? Well, what most people don't know is that middle age, and especially older, 65 and above, we tend to lose a thing called intrinsic factor in our gastrointestinal tract, making it more difficult for us to absorb the B vitamins. In addition, alcohol interferes with absorption. And when you think about all the people that are on keto diet and think that being on keto diet means that you don't eat a lot of veggies, that's where you get folate. So again, folate deficiency is a big deal for viewers of this channel. Thank you for your interest. Did you want to go to the intensive experience in Louisville but just didn't have that kind of money or time? Take a look. We've got another one coming up in Orlando, February 28th. There's a way to save a lot of money on it, as much as 50% off. Take a look.